Okay, welcome to this module. In this module, we're going to talk about marketing your store using search engine marketing, and we are going to talk about SEO, or what, in other words, search engine optimization. Okay, by the end of this module, you're going to have a basic understanding of what search engine optimization is all about, and how you can leverage it to drive traffic to your online store, to your t-shirt web store, and to generate sales, because that's just the main purpose of search engine optimization. Okay, so now this is mainly applicable to self-hosted websites, and partly applicable to Redbubble stores or TeePublic stores, or any of these other marketplaces. So let's see exactly what we are going to look at. Now, when we talk about search engine marketing, there are two aspects we are going to focus on, and those are SEO, or search engine optimization, and search engine advertising, or SEA. Okay, so those are the two branches of search engine marketing. We are going to talk about these two modules, these two aspects of search engine marketing. But in this module, we are looking at SEO. Okay, so search engine marketing is just a marketing strategy that you can utilize, or involves promoting your websites, your stores, and increasing their visibility in search engine results pages through paid advertising. Okay, so it focuses primarily on driving targeted traffic and increasing online visibility by utilizing search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, or any other search engine for that matter. Actually, Google is like the biggest search engine that everyone else is using. So now, like I said earlier, two aspects. So we're going to look at search engine optimization in this module. Okay, now here is a checklist that you must follow, okay, for your print on demand store. All right, now for SEO, this checklist is primarily for SEO, so we are going to still look at the search engine advertising in the next module. Okay, but for now, our focus is on SEO. Now, keyword research is an integral part of SEO, or search engine optimization. All right, now because keywords matter so much, okay, that is why it's important that you understand exactly what they are. I have talked about keywords in the past, in the modules before this particular module, and we discussed keywords and how they work and how searches work. Okay, so it still works the same way. For keyword research, you have to identify relevant keywords related to your t-shirt niche, your designs, and your target audience. Yes, because without this research, you cannot be able to optimize your products, your product descriptions, your product titles to reflect on these keywords, or to have these keywords contained inside them. So these are what helps to push your designs, okay, on Google. These are what helps your designs to appear in search engine results, basically on Google. All right, so there are keyword research tools that you can use. There's so many of them out there, but the two biggest platforms are SEMrush and Ahrefs. So you can use them to find high volume and low competition keywords. SEMrush has a monthly subscription of about $100. Okay, and Ahrefs is also a paid tool. Yeah, but there are free tools that you can use to generate keywords. They don't give you the full information. So do your research and find out high volume and low competition keywords that you can actually target in your product descriptions, in your product titles. So consider long tail keywords. These are more specific and have higher conversion potential. Now, keyword research is a very big title. Is a very big title, and you need to get very good at keyword research for you to be able to get very good results. So this is just an introduction. This is just an overview. All right. Now let's talk about on-page optimization. What we mean by on-page optimization is actually an aspect of SEO that deals with what you put on your page, on your product pages, or on your product descriptions. Okay, you have to optimize your title tags, you have to optimize your meta descriptions, your headers, your URLs with relevant keywords. Okay, so you have to make sure that your product pages have these keywords embedded inside them. So incorporate your keywords naturally throughout your website content, including your descriptions, your blog posts, and ensure your website has clear navigation and a user-friendly structure for both users and search engines. Now, most of these things are what your developer should know. You should ensure that your website meets these requirements, because it's going to help your website to be visible in search engine result pages. Alright, now the next thing is content. You have to create high quality content. You have to create unique and high quality content, like creating a unique engaging product descriptions that include relevant keywords. Of course, write informative and keyword rich blog posts or articles related to your t-shirt niche. Include high resolution images, videos to enhance the visual appeal and engagement of your website. Okay, now when we talk about creating content is king, because Google will only serve your pages when your content is helpful, your content is unique, and your content is relevant to what is being searched for. So that is what Google is all about. So if your content, your product pages meet these requirements, ranking your pages wouldn't be a problem with Google. And your pages appearing on the first page of Google is not going to be a very big deal, because your product, your pages are relevant, they are informative, they are helpful, and they are well optimized. Okay, so that's that for content. The next thing you should do is to make sure that your pages are mobile friendly, because most people that are going to visit your store, they are coming to your store on mobile phones, on smartphones. So you have to make sure that your website pages, your product pages are mobile friendly. They are mobile optimized for mobile. Yes, they can show across a range of devices, and they can display the way they are supposed to display. Alright, so this is not going to be a problem if your developer knows what they're doing. If your developer does things with the best practices, then your website is supposed to be mobile friendly. Okay, so ensure that your website's loading speed is optimal, and make sure that you test everything properly on mobile devices, different browsers, to ensure good usability. Okay, now link building is getting relevant authoritative backlinks to your website from reputable sources. Now this is what we call a ranking factor that Google uses to rank pages on its search engine results. Okay, so if you can be able to build quality backlinks, that is what they are called, backlinks. So those backlinks are going to help your pages to rank higher on Google. So link building is a very big deal in the SEO community, and I would encourage you to learn how it works, to research it, and to find out how you can utilize link building to boost the authority of your website, to boost the reputation of your website with Google, because this is one of the biggest ranking factors that the Google algorithm uses to make sure that the results that are being served are relevant to the search queries, that the results that they are serving on their search engine is what actually people are searching for. Okay, so find out all you can about link building. It's a very big deal. It's a very serious aspect of SEO, and see how you can leverage it to boost your website reputation with Google. Okay, another thing you have to consider is user experience. Ensure that your visitors have a positive and user-friendly experience on your website. Optimize your website's navigation, making it easy for visitors to find and purchase your t-shirts. Now, ensure your website is secure, loads quickly, and has clear and visible call to actions. So all these are aspects of user experience that also matter, that you should ensure that everything works fine. Okay, so these are the things you have to have in mind, that your website, the user experience metrics are good. Now, if you are going to be producing and printing your own t-shirts, I will encourage you to set up your Google My Business profile. This helps you to do better on Google. It helps you to have better results, better rankings on Google, because Google sees you as a real business that is located somewhere. So if you have a physical store or target a specific location, optimize your website for local search. Include your business address, your contact information, and location-based keywords on your website. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listings to improve visibility in local search results. Okay. Now, another thing you have to look out for is analytics and tracking. This is one way that you're going to know exactly how your website is doing in terms of traffic. So Google has a tool called Google Analytics that helps you to monitor your website's performance, such as traffic, conversion rates, bounce rates, keyword rankings. Now all these are metrics, and so many other metrics. Google has upgraded the analytics platform to Google Analytics 4, which is the current platform that they are using, and it has much improved ways of measuring all these metrics. So use this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your search engine marketing strategy accordingly. Okay, now another aspect you need to have in mind, it has to do with technical SEO. Okay, now this has to do with so many things, including making sure that your XML sitemap is submitted to Google and other search engines, and that you also optimize your website's robots.txt file to control search engine crawling and indexing. Check for broken links, duplicate content, and other technical issues that may impact your search engine rankings. Okay, now technical SEO is a big topic. It's a big it's actually a sub topic of SEO. It's a big deal, it's a big issue, and if you can actually hire an agency to help you with SEO. You can hire a company, an agency, and they can take care of your SEO, and you get to pay them, because this is a very technical aspect. Okay, so that's it for technical SEO. You need to continually monitor and optimize your SEO efforts. You need to optimize, you need to monitor, you need to evaluate, and make sure that you're on track and that you're your website is behaving as expected. Okay, keep an eye on your competitors' SEO tactics and identify opportunities for improvement. Okay, so this is it. SEO is something that you don't stop, you keep doing it, you keep ensuring that you are on top of the game, and at the end of the day it all boils down to traffic and how much money you're able to make. Okay, but if you do everything right, if you play your game how you're supposed to play your game, the rewards are immense, the benefits are immense for your business, and it's gonna rub off on your bottom line at the end of the day. All right, so that is it for this module. I'll